Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be really interesting. I feel this video is quite trending, that we are going to rate our experience with all the influencers.
So full credits to that quirky miss. We
Yeah.
saw her video and we were like, we need to do this because we also have had our fair shares of embarrassing moments.
Yeah.
So get ready to have some tea. Let's get started. First honorable mention that I would like to give to is Shreya Jain. So we both have met her like 10 times aram se.
Yeah.
We've lost count, but she is the most humblest, fun, beautiful person that I've ever
And
met.
so honest.
So raw. And the one meetup that I went with her, vlog bhi kiya hua hai wo to,
Yeah.
was the Lakme Fashion Week meetup. If you've not watched that vlog, link will be there down below. That was a very special day for me because we were just 3 people pure din ke liye, me, Shreya and also Priya, who is now our friend, and she had also won the contest. So it was so nice. We had lunch together. We went to her room. Oh god, I literally went to her bedroom. And then we attended a show together, and I also met Isha there for the first time. So it was a very special day. I would rate her 100 on 10. Uske baad bhi itni baar mile hai, and she has been nothing but sweet. Even now there are so many times where we exchange DMs and she is the first one to reply. It is so
Yeah.
bizarre to me. I mean, how are you so humble? She is very professional on camera, definitely, but she is so fun off camera. I think whoever has met Shreya will definitely agree this with me.
Yeah. I met her for the first time at Inorbit after Urvi met. Urvi met her
Yeah.
first and then I met her.
At the Knicks opening, right?
Yeah, at the next opening, and it was so cute and it was so sweet of her that she's remembered. Urvi
Yeah.
ने बोला था कि I have a channel with my best friend Dinkle, and she remembered me. Like, oh, she did not remember me.
Yeah, but
ऐसे.
she like asked, ke, oh, is she Dinkle? Yeah,
Yeah.
you Dinkle. And that was like,
So
oh god.
sweet. Yeah, exactly. And उसके बाद भी we have again exchanged a lot of DMs.
Yeah.
She's the sweetest person. And I remember whenever I talk to her, I just feel like I'm talking to one of my very old friends. She's
Yeah.
so raw, and I just love her. I wish I had a personality like she. Yeah, she's really fun. The first influencers or content creators who I met for the first time were Akriti and Shaurya. They had a YouTube channel as Pretty Little Things. Yeah, I get so confused with these names, but yeah, they had a channel. So they had a first meetup at Andheri in Little Do. Long हो गए 2018 का start था वो. And मैं कॉलेज से गई थी. I remember मैं कॉलेज से डायरेक्टली गई थी, and that time there were a lot of people over there. So like Akriti and Shaurya were obviously sweet, but I could not interact with them individually. And after that I met them at Pretty Secrets ka store. They had a huge store opening and a huge event over there, and that was like वो लोग 2 ही थे और बहुत कम दूसरे लोग थे. So that was the time where I could interact with them and all that. But yeah, those people were sweet, but they were not warm. They were very professional. Like they had a filter on, if I can say. But
You're not like Shreya.
yeah,
कि मतलब
exactly.
आओ भाई बैठो मेरे साथ खाना खाओ.
Yeah.
They were not like that.
Yeah, so that is what I would rate them. I guess I would rate both of them 5 out of 10.
Okay, so the next influencer that I've met a gazillion times is Debashri Banerjee. I am so fond of her. She is so warm. Again, we both have met her in almost all of her meetups.
Yeah.
I have literally 10 to 15 different pictures with her, and uske baad bhi we've exchanged a lot of DMs, and she's so sarcastic. She's so funny.
Yeah.
And she will be with you. She like stand. She will click pictures. She will talk. She always ask कि मतलब आपका channel कैसा चल रहा है, and all of that. The fact that they even remember that we have a channel, and she even bothering to ask that. I don't know how do they do that. It's just so humble. She is 10 on 10. Love her.
Yeah, even when I met her for the first time, I met her at Inorbit for a brand. I guess it was Meena करके कोई brand था. मैंने ना मेकअप किया हुआ था थोड़ा बहुत, and वो ना इधर से कुछ क्रैक हो रहा था और something that was happening. So when I was talking to you ना, she was doing all that. Like,
That is so sweet.
Yeah, she was like literally helping me to make
Fix that,
Yeah,
yeah.
she was fixing that, and
Oh.
I was so nervous, and at the time I was so happy that okay, she's being so good.
Yeah, वो चाहती तो नहीं कर सकती थी.
Exactly, but she doing that 10 on 10 for her for sure. The next influencer or YouTuber which I met was mostly saying, oh my god, she is such a sweetheart. So I, Dhwani and Siddhi went together to meet her. She had a meetup again. This is 2018 ki baat. That time she was not very famous as she is today, but that time also a lot of people had come to the meetup. I did not expect so much crowd, but we were lucky enough that हम लोग थोड़े start में ही थे, but still there was a lot of waiting. But oh my god, she is such a sweet person. First of all, even she was overwhelmed to see so many people. बस तो जगह नहीं थी खड़े रहने के लिए और बात करने के लिए, और टेबल पे चढ़ के बात कर रही थी so that everyone can hear her and all that. She was very good. And then while we were clicking pictures, I clicked so many pictures with her. पहले मैंने ना कैप पहनी थी तो मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगा था पिक्चर, तो मैंने कैप निकाली and I was like I want one more picture, and तभी उनके बाल में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया था. So we clicked so many pictures. She was very very sweet. Definitely 10 on 10 for her.
So the last influencer that I would like to mention is Kaushal from Kaushal Beauty. So she's an Indian, but she doesn't stay here. She lives in the UK, and she had come here with NYX, and we had won a contest, and I and Dinkle both went there, and we vlogged that as well, because that was a huge moment. Okay, an international influencer coming to India, and oh god, she was so sweet. The first thing that I noticed in her was her makeup.
Yeah.
Wow, like her makeup was so basic but so good. And when I went Uber to click a picture with her, firstly, she clicked so many pictures.
Yeah.
Secondly, I also told her to say something for our vlog, and she said that as well. वो चाहती तो ना करती वो भी, but she did that. And thirdly, when we were talking, like just for like a minute or so, she complimented me for my makeup. तब तो मेरा makeup कुछ इतना खास था भी नहीं, but she complimented me कि oh my god, I love what you've done with your eyes. And I'm like,
she had done a black
what?
smoky
Yeah, I had done a
eyes.
black smoky eye, which was not great, I would be very honest. But she said that and it blew my mind. Again, I was the first one in the row that went there. सब लड़कियां पीछे खड़ी है, and I'm just looking at her. मतलब she was so mesmerizing, and I would love to meet her again. She was so humble. Love it. 10 on 10 for sure.
Yeah. Even when I talked to her, she told me that, you know, my face is similar to some of her friends.
Yeah.
So again, that was really sweet of her. She's very bubbly. She's very bubbly. So yeah, 10 on 10 for me as well. So the next influencer was Diksha Khurana. So to be honest, I was very excited to meet her because I love Kritika Khurana. I am very biased towards Kritika. So I was like, okay, uski behind her. So obviously, you know, I am very excited to meet her as well. But unfortunately, the meet did not went good. So I met her at the Lavi event only. जिधर मैं दिशा पटनी को मिली थी, उधर ही मैं दीक्षा को भी मिली थी. So I saw her. I told her, oh, I'm following you from a long time. Can I get a picture with you? She's like, yeah, sure. So she clicked a picture and she just went. I was like, usually look,
people say something or they'll just say, excuse me, I need to go or something.
Yeah, so
respect.
Exactly. So she did not have that respect, and I guess वो खुद भी बहुत awkward थी वहाँ पे. So yeah, that did not go good. And उसके बाद भी we had a incident. So we Urvi and I had a page together called as Glamorous Journal Insta पे, and उधर ना हम लोग कोई Maybelline का giveaway जीते थे. So
which was hosted by Diksha, by the way.
Yeah, which was hosted by Diksha, and we won that giveaway. And till date, we have not received a hamper. We had messaged her so many times. Like जब हम जीते उसने हम लोग को बोला कि आपका एड्रेस मैसेज कर दो. ताकि उर्वी का एड्रेस हमने मैसेज कर दिया था.
And she said कि okay, you will receive it soon. And after like 6 to 7 weeks, we messaged her again. उसके बाद तो कोई reply नहीं था.
She saw the message, but she did not reply.
Yes, that is rude.
Yeah, that is straight up rude.
We have mentioned this in our truth about influencers. We've had our fair share of rude influencers as well, and that time Disha was not that famous as well. Like 100-200k followers या कुछ थे, but still इतना attitude किस चीज का भाई. If you are the medium through which we are winning a giveaway, don't you have that basic sense to just contact the brand, or else just don't host a giveaway. It's just extremely rude to do that because people take efforts, even if it's like free का products हमें मिल रहा है, but we've taken efforts.
Yeah, I remember we bought
We
a
bought the
little
lip balm. Yeah, it
and
was a lip balm, watermelon lip balm का
Yeah.
कुछ तो था, and we taken part, and it was just rude. I seriously, Kritika and Diksha are like opposites
yeah,
to me.
I love Kritika.
Yeah, same here. We've met Kritika twice,
Yeah.
and I'm not interested in meeting Diksha at all. Like, no.
I don't know. I have mixed feelings for Diksha. Obviously, this incident was something which was a big bummer that
Yeah,
I don't like her.
obviously.
But when I see her on WhatsApp sister, I feel she has two personalities.
Probably, yeah.
So I guess that's
Yeah.
it for this video. We have met many other
Yeah.
influencers like Larissa and a lot more other influencers, and all we cannot talk about all those. If you guys like this video, we will do a part 2. Okay, so if you like this video, we'll do a part 2. But आज के लिए यही है. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.